Hey, what's happening? This is JG with Kuryakyn, and today what we're going to do is give you a nice little sound check between the WanderBar and the Road Thunder Soundbar Plus. So what we got going on today, in front of me we got the WanderBar, 14-inch and 10-inch, and over here we got the Road Thunder Soundbar Plus. And whenever we post the WanderBar, the first question we get is how does it sound compared to the Road Thunder Soundbar Plus? So what we're going to do today is take you on a little ride around our hometown of Somerset, Wisconsin, and give you guys a taste for how each sounds. How we're capturing this, nothing super technical. All we're going to be doing is mounting a lapel microphone inside my helmet, so you guys will be hearing what I'm hearing. One other thing that's important to note about this test is we will only be using the WanderBar 10-inch, as it is the most closely sized to the Road Thunder Soundbar Plus. So the bike we'll be using for this comparison is our 114 Heritage Softail sitting here right behind me. We're choosing this bike because of a number of reasons. Number one, it's got aftermarket exhaust. Number two, we can run it with or without a windshield. And number three, it's already wired for the Road Thunder Soundbar Plus. And since the WanderBar doesn't need wires, we can just swap it out nice and easy and have a good run with each of them. I'm gonna go ahead and press play and get started. Come on! So what we're going to do now is take you out on the highway. Again, Heritage 114 with a windshield on this run. Next run we'll do it without a windshield. This run we're going to give you up to about 75, 80 miles per hour and let you hear how it sounds. Here we are with the Road Thunder Soundbar Plus. This is going to be our first run with the windshield on. First thing you're going to notice is the size. A lot more compact than the WanderBar, smaller. This thing will fit on literally almost any kind of handlebar style you can imagine, minus the clip-ons. Super solid unit, very compact again, and first run will be with the windshield, and we'll let you guys hear how it sounds on back roads and then on the highway. Here we go. So just gave you guys a little bit of a listen on how it sounds on some back roads. Now we'll take it out on the highway, get it up to about 75, 80, and hear how it sounds. Here we are at 75, between 75 and 80. So at the end of the day, when it comes down to sound, they're all going to offer some serious bang for your bucks. Speaking of your bucks, we know it's a topic that's of high discussion in our comments and on our threads. It is a topic we hear a lot about. These are not cheap units because they're not made cheap. You want them to be heard at 75 miles per hour, they got to be built to be heard at 75 miles per hour. The reality is, WanderBars and the Road Thunder Soundbar Plus are both packing some serious technology that you're not going to find in your cheaper Bluetooth speakers. Make sure you check out our other video where we get more in depth with all the technical features on these speakers. If I want you to leave here with one thing today, if you're going to ask me on the road, give me a 10 to 20 second breakdown on what makes these different. I'm going to tell you that the WanderBar has a digital signal processor. It has a slightly higher RMS wattage rating. It has passive radiators, and what that's going to do is it's going to offer a little bit more range in terms of mid and low range that the Soundbar is not going to offer. And of course, the biggest difference is that it is a portable unit, meaning you can use it on or off the bike. If you have any questions on which one is right for you, shoot us a comment, shoot us a message, or find out more at Kuryakyn.com.